namin to Mandawi. Did you have a good time?
I want to do like this.
Did you have a good time, Bobby?
Yes.
So we'd like to thank the Espinosa family, most especially Consejal Eric Espinosa, for having us at your home. And to your wife, si Ma'am Jill, nga grabe gyud nga pag-atiman o pag-amuma sa amuha. We are so happy kaayo me that we got the chance to see, no?
The champions.
Yeah, the champions. Congratulations to my Tribo Masadyaon family. I say family because grabe day kay ka small world, because one of the team members of the contingent is a very good friend of mine. I have not seen her in a very, very long time, but Lori and I go way back, and she's always been an amazing dancer. And when I found out that isa di ay siya nga kauban sa Tribo Masadyaon, grabe gyud kay nako kalipay. And that ganina pag humanilag sayo, I got really emotional because nakita gyud nako nga the last time ako nag-uban mi ni Lori, wala pa si Tony. This was a long time ago. This was more than 10, 12 years ago. We both were volunteers. No, we went to Malapascua. We were in Malapascua for weeks. We taught kids, marine education. Kauban pa mi ato sa una ni Ana Oposa. So it was because of her nga nahimo ang grupo nga Golden Children. So Lori is a golden child. So mauday na nga grabe kaayo kaduol ang akong heart og pagkita nako sa ilaha. And mo to ganina pag ingon gyud ni Lori nga part di siya sa team, mura kog na grabe full circle moment. I felt so emotional because lahi ra gyud ay no, the electrifying performance of seeing it in person. Dili gyud nimo ma-question ngano champions gyud sila. And kasabot rasad ko ngano ma-champion gyud no. Kay ngano lagi dili ma-champion no, sugod sa 3 years old gasayaw na. Na ay contingent ganina nga nakita nako 3 years old ilang youngest dancer, 3 and 5 years old. Grabe jud makaana jud ko na that is devotion. And of course na ini-react nga ang bata ngano giangin-angin mo naman ay para magod nako, they have to start young. Like si Tony, I know he is 7 years old, but he has an entire year to decide if this is really what he wants. But nakita gyud nako ganina no, ang overwhelming feeling gyud of the devotion. Ngano makaingon ko this is the devotion of Toledo, because number one, it was not a competition. Grabe kadaghag contingents, guys, and dili to siya competition, number one. Number two, dili siya compulsory. Kung gusto ka mong appeal, you are given a chance to register, and then mo sayaw ka, mo appeal ka. But dili siya compulsory. And for a Sunday, di ba, instead nga mamahuway ang ilang gibuhat from ganina alauna nagsugod karon na hapit na alas 8 na human, and gikan sa ilang megadome padulong dito sa ilang simbahan, dili pud siya duol. So diha pud nimo makita ba nga to think Toledo does not have a Santo Niño shrine. Dili si Santo Niño ang ilahang patron saint. Ang ilang patron saint, if wala ko na mali, si Saint Joseph de Sagon, San Jose de Sagon, June 12 ang ilahang pista. And yet, kung makaselebrate sila, mura silag na ay Santo Niño shrine sad. And lami lang gid pud kay ang feeling, because aside, of course, sa champions, ang ilang finale nga contingent nga na touchdown ko kay they really chose to perform in front of us was Tribo Lumad Daang Lungsod. I hope I said that correctly. Lamisad kayo, I took a video of their entire presentation. I will be posting it here. And I guess that's it. We are just really so grateful sa among full day in Toledo. Dili ko ganahan mo promise, but if Toledo welcomes both Tony and I, we would be so honored. We would be so grateful to celebrate. Lord, Ginoo ko ang Lord, ilayo taon sa katalagman ang nasa ambulansya. Anyways, sorry. We would be more than honored and happy to come back. Kay nakita namo nga dili kay siya stressful mo. Tanaw rami maglingkod rami dito sa Kilids, balay nila kon sa Espinosa niya. Maglabay tanan. So mura to siya, guys, sa kadaghag mga ni hello, sa kadaghag mga nakipag-selfie, sa tanan ni Anha og niingon og pit senior pod sa inyong tanan. Salamat kaayo sa inyong pagdawat sa amo ani Tony o pag-welcome sa amo. Grateful kaayo mi to Toledo City. And this is not the first time. Murag anad-anad na gyud mahimo na gyud tradition siguro, no? The 4th Sunday of January. Kung if we miss the festivities sa Cebu City, we can always come to Toledo, because Toledo to us, especially for today, it felt like home. So again, salamat jud kaayo.
There's nowhere like home.
There's no place like home, but we're now going home. So hinaot pa unta nga nakita ninyo sa akong mga videos, ug nakita ninyo, ug na-feel ninyo nga how grateful we are. And yes, 9 o'clock na karon, pagawas pa lang ni Toledo, so I think 2 to 3 hours pa may makaulian ni og Mandawi, but it was such a great Sunday. It was a very busy Sunday. Don't you think, Pat? Did you have a good time?
I almost wanted to faint.
You almost wanted to faint. Of course not. There's absolutely no reason. They took care of you. Ikaw ha?
I'm not telling you, mommy, because
Ay, shush.
I feel
Anyways,
like tired.
so of course it's tiring. Of course it is. But that is what it feels like to be able to see everybody that came to say hello to us. Diba? And we are so grateful. You better be grateful. Because that is a chance, and the warm welcome is a blessing. Okay, Babong Bib?
Yes.
And we will pray and we will manifest that you are able to dance with champions in 2027. We'll pray for that, yeah?
But I'm still thinking about
Okay, you're
it.
still thinking about it, but most importantly, we will pray about it. Okay, my love?
Okay, but I'm still
No, it's so...
planning.
It's a plan, and we have to wait. We have to wait, and we have to pray that somebody or a contingent will invite you, because that's the greatest honor, to be invited to dance with them. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So,
And
moro
you
to siya,
got-
guys. Baba.
You got to bring
Sus.
You got
Ayaw
to
na
bring chair
pag-demand.
and
Ay,
water,
sus.
Anna.
Ako pa'y gisugo. But in any case, moro to siya, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Toledo. We love you. Ingat. Mwah! Sa Tibuok, Toledo, isa ra gyud ka festival queen ang akong love. Wala man ako nakita ang float ni Kit tong sinulog, but naa diri sa Toledo. So naghimo sa Palawan Pawn Shop nga float si Kit Gresos, one of the best in the country. I'm so proud of you, Kit. Pasabog yun ni si Kit. Kanindot. Hi! Excited kay ko sa float ni Kit para sa Kamulan. For lahi ra gid po nang iyaha diri sa Cebu. Hi! Grabe gid si Kit, guys. Niabot na gid Toledo yung float. Maka-proud kayo. Nindot kayo, Kit. Lahi ra gid Kit. Hi guys! Meron ko sa Toledo. We are waiting for the contingents to arrive. So, padulong dito ang simbahan. So, magikan sila diri. Na ako diri Ilocon sa Espinosa kay magulat ni sa mga contingents nga molabay diri sa ilaha. How are we? Are we? Are you excited? Are you happy to be here? Are you excited to see them dance? Yay! We're gonna see you guys!